Hello friends, this question is from a test series 2 from the subjects of networks and topic name is two-port network. It's a common data question. In a problem we have given one T network and we need to find out the Z parameter of this T network. We need to calculate the Z parameter of T network, all the 4 Z parameters, Z11, Z12, Z21 and Z22. We need to calculate the value of all 4 and form the Z matrix. So, it's a very simple question. Let's assume there is a battery, value V1 plus minus. Similarly, there is a battery of value V2 plus minus as given in the diagram, and apply the simple KVL with this loop current of I1 here and loop current of I2 here. Direction is also given in the problem. You need to just apply the simple KVL in two loops. So from first loop, if you apply KVL, your V1 will be equal to 3 times I1 plus 3 times I1 plus I2. Similarly, if you apply the KVL in second loop, then your V2 will be equal to 3 times I2 plus 3 into I1 plus I2, because in the middle branch we have a I1 and I2 in the same direction, so they will be simply added. Now if I rearrange both the equations, the first equation will be comes out as 6I1 plus 3I2. Similarly, the second equation will be like that, 3I1 plus 6I2. So now if you compare these two equations with the general equation of the Z parameter, because my general equation of Z parameters are like this, V1 is equal to the, or I can write again, V1 is equal to the Z11 times I1 plus Z12 times I2, and V2 is equal to the Z21 times I1 plus Z22 times I2. So if you compare these four equations, my Z11 will be 6, Z12 will be 3, Z21 will be 3, Z22 will be 6. So my Z matrix will be 6, 3, 3, 6. So in this question my correct option is 6, 3, 3, 6, option A. Option A is my correct option for the first part of the common data question. So the first part of my common data question is complete, sir. Thank you.